This is the F9 Dress Smartwatch. It's got all kinds of goodies in it. You have messages pushed from your phone will show up here. On this side, you've got all kinds of different sporting activities that you can do, including swimming with this watch. You have your step count information, last night's sleep time available. Of course, it supports heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen readings, as well as weather in your local area. You have a music player built into it when tethered to your phone, and it can work as a remote camera as well. There's a breathing exercise section for relaxation, and a variety of very attractive watch faces that you can put on this one. Look at all of these. They coordinate beautifully with the overall watch design. That one was downloaded from the Tethering app. It's got a TPU band. It's building upon gold and black. It's also available in other colors. Definitely a fashion watch of choice. Check it out. Little rotating knob, but it doesn't change anything. It's called the F9.